I'm doing fine. I was out of town for 4 days, so I was not able to live stream. How about you? How's your work there? Hi, Pete. Hola. Pitso. Nabugno naman po ito, eh. Rate. Hi, Shubham. Bugno na si Mod ni Benito. Okay lang po. You're learning Tagalog. Don't speak Hindi. Ah, it's already snowing there. You're in, if I'm right, Minnesota or Mississippi. Or I remember wrong. I did not get it correctly. Michigan. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So you're on duty now in the airport? Where are you from, Shob? Very impressive, Pete. That's why you know how to speak Tagalog. Hindi po, Tej. Hindi po ako guro. I'm not teacher. Hi, Joe. Musta? Are you? Joe Barcenas. I think you've been in my live stream, Joe. Right? Yeah. And I'm talking to a lot of people. I'm trying to remember each and every one. Trying to connect. That's the reason why I'm doing this live stream, to connect to people. Yeah, I remember you, Joe. I don't have a job for you, Shab. Yeah, but Pilipinas. Kung pupunta ako, sino makasama ko? Why not? I could be your tourist guide, Tej. I'm not that expensive. I could be your tour guide and let you explore the Philippines. Because I'm also promoting my country. It's one way of helping our economy. Yeah. Hi, Yob. How are you? Yeah, thanks for all the emoji. And hope one of you guys subscribe to my channel. I really need